How to delete all old Facebook posts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on the option over here. So let's discard over here and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the options of post over here under audience and visibility. Tap on post and here you can see who can see all your posts and so on. But if you want to delete it, what you can do is tap on the option of activity log. Here you can see the Facebook activity over here. Tap on your Facebook activity and then select on manage post. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the posts over here. So if you want to delete it, you can simply click on the three dotted lines beside every post and then tap on move to trash. You'll not be able to do all at once, but you'll have to go to each and every post and delete it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.